guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my nails, and I'm going to start off with showing you guys the items that I use. So the first item that I use is these nails, and I'll put the link in the description where you can buy them. The next thing you'll be needing is nail glue, nail clippers, nail filer, and a buffer that I'm going to be using. And then this little stick that I'm going to be using to push back my cuticles. Also these little things that I'm using to put on the nails as like decorations, and you can find these probably at a craft store. Also these are the two nail polishes I'm going to be using, this blue one and a top coat. Here's my nails how I did 2 days ago, and I wanted to show you guys how I do them, so I'm going to remove them and show you guys how I do my own nails. So to start off, I start measuring these nails and put them to the right finger and make sure each of them fit correctly, and I like them to be a right size fit. So now I laid them out, and now I'm gonna start pushing back my cuticles just to give it more of a cleaner look. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is gluing down the nails. So here you're gonna see me glue down the nails, and when you glue down the nails, you want to make sure you put them on it and you hold them down for 3 seconds so they'll be nice and secured. Now I'm gonna fast forward the part of me gluing down the nails. So now that the nails are glued down, now I'm cutting them down to the size that I prefer, and I like them long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them to my preferred size. Now I'm gonna be filing them down to make sure there's no rough edges. So now we're gonna get the nail polish and put on its first layer, and I am not painting the ring finger because that's the finger that I'm gonna be doing the design on. And so now I'm putting on the first layer. Okay, now I am putting on a top coat on my ring finger and putting these little sequins on top of the nail, and I will be doing it to both of my nails, on my left hand, my right hand, so you guys will be seeing how I do that. Okay, now you want to go with the second layer of nail polish on all of your nails, and on your ring finger you want to put a clear top coat for it to all be sealed down, and make sure that the sequences will stay in place. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and put a glossy top coat on all your nails, and this is how I do my nails, and I hope you guys recreate these nails, or you can change up the colors, and make sure you guys tag me and like, comment, and subscribe to see more of these videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this.